Insurance companies are a business, and their businesses are concerned with the bottom line. An insurance company will rush to you to take a statement after an accident when you're still shaken up, when you're still not sure what to say. They'll rush to get it because then they're going to frame questions in such a way that harms your chances at recovery. And this, by the way, doesn't matter whether it's your insurance company or the defendant's insurance company, the person who caused the accident, okay? Because both of them are gonna end up paying you money. That's why you buy insurance, to protect yourself, to protect your family. And they're going to rush to get you to say something that can be used during the course of litigation to harm your recovery, to lessen your recovery. So the losers become your family and yourself. So it is critical when an accident happens, you are harmed, that you get the necessary medical attention and you talk to Orlando and Associates, you call us. So we are there to make sure the insurance company does not take advantage of the fact that you've been through a difficult time, that you're shaken up, that you're harmed, that you're scared. We are there to stand in your place and make sure everything that's communicated is to your benefit. Well, they're going to come and say, listen, we want to talk to you about the accident. You know, you don't really need to hire a lawyer. We're here for you. We want to work with you. And our goal is to be fair and reasonable and try to make a fair settlement. That is a lie. Insurance companies lie. They train their people to lie. They train their people to lead you on a path that harms your recovery. You never trust an insurance company, and that goes for your own. You have insurance on your car, your truck, your boat, your house. You have insurance, and you think, gee, I'm protected because my insurance company's gonna protect me. Your insurance company is gonna protect the bottom line, their money. They're gonna protect, they're not interested in protecting you. I'll give you hundreds of examples, but there was one in particular where there was a terrible accident, and the injured plaintiff, who was very badly hurt, had been a Marine, has been as tough as nails, was taken away by ambulance. His family called our office. We went to the hospital to see his wife. He was still in surgery. When I walked into the waiting room, what did I see? I saw insurance adjusters there, and I asked why they were there. Well, we wanted to find out what happened. I had to throw them out of the hospital because they were questioning the wife, who was rattled, scared, crying. And what they wanted to do was get her to admit something about how there was a previous injury, or someone said that the accident was her husband's fault. Understand that your lawyers need to stand in your place. Insurance companies are worth many billions of dollars. They have hundreds of people, investigators, appraisers, expert witnesses, and they're all on the payroll to make sure you don't recover, or you recover as little as possible. The only advocate you have is your lawyer. We are here for you, and we can help you, but you gotta call us right away. Don't sit there and buy. The insurance company will say, why pay a lawyer? The truth of the matter is, they know that if you hire someone as expert as Orlando and Associates in handling a personal injury claim, you're going to get many, many, many tens of thousands of dollars more than you would get on your own. Because the truth is, you don't even know how to evaluate the value of a claim. Lost earnings, medical bills, future medical expenses, pain and suffering. There's so much to calculating the value of a case. And if you don't have someone like us who spend 365 days a year, 24 hours a day, evaluating personal injuries, assessing the value, knowing what to demand, what to accept, and if they don't want to pay it, we go to court, we win there. It's very simple. And the truth is, you're going to have to go to court a lot less with us because they know we know how to beat them. They know what will happen in a courtroom. So what they will do is they will try to They will try to misguide you. They will lie to you. They will say anything they can to make their position better, to reduce any chance you have of a recovery. And then when they don't make an offer that you're satisfied with, then you'll come to us and we have an uphill battle because you've said these things that you didn't even know were a problem. How could you? That's not what you do for a living. You may be a fisherman. You may be an auto worker. You may be a mechanic, a plumber, a carpenter. Even a professional like an accountant or a doctor, you're not skilled in dealing with insurance companies in terms of effectively evaluating the value of a claim. You just don't have that ability. We do. We offer it to you. We will get you the best results. To hire Orlando & Associates costs nothing. You hire us to represent you. The fee that we earn is when we are successful, not if we are successful. When we are successful for you, our fee comes out of what we recover. So the insurance company wants to hypothetically pay you $50,000 to settle your claim. Okay? You don't need a lawyer. Take the $50,000 and put it in your pocket. You come to us and we get you $300,000. And our fee is a percentage of that, like a third. So after a third of $300,000 comes off, that leaves $200,000 for you, not $50,000. And it is essential to understand that the insurance company are going to rush their investigators and their adjusters to the hospital, to your home immediately, because they know the value of diminishing your claim up front.